The 758 coal loader has made it to the layout, and I've got it temporarily set up with track power. Got a little lock on the track, got about 15 volts. There's a control panel, and it's in the down position now, so let's try going up with the red button. Okay, notice the clamshell bucket opens when it gets to the top, and then let's go back down with the green button. Notice when I press the red button, the clamshell closes. And it stays closed until all the way up to the top. Then this center button, this metallic red button, when I push it, it opens the chute out the back. Here's a possible location for the coal loader. I kind of like it at the end of this siding because you can see the action of both the clamshell bucket and the unloading into hopper cars. Here's a close-up view that shows where the two wires connect to the solenoid that closes the bucket. And there's the wire going through the hole about halfway up the tower, and then it goes down to the base and comes up under the house. Now let's run a drain.